on, sit up with Mama.
Shut up.
Have him come get Mickey. Come get Mickey. Look.
Come get Mickey.
M-I-C-K-E-Y-M-O-U-S-E. Come get him.
He grabs up.
Come on, get him.
He's holding himself up. He's supporting himself. That's the thing. It's like.
Come on, sit up. Do you want Mickey? Here you go.
Wow.
There's your Mickey. Are you happy? Get Mickey. Oh, is Daddy making a big noise? See, it's my first Easter and playing with my Mickey Mouse and trying to sit. Trying so hard on my first Easter to sit up and play with Mickey. Keep trying, monkey. Oh, look at the doggy came to see you.